Guess where I'm now? A forest pass? Actually, I'm on a road that traverses the Taklamakan Desert from north to south.
The 522-kilometer Tarim Desert Highway went into operation in 1995. It passes through China's largest desert, Taklamakan, from north to south. It shortens the travel distance between Urumqi, the capital of China's Xinjiang, and Haltan Prefecture by 500 kilometers. To prevent the erosion of the highway by quicksand, a project was launched in 2003 to plant shelter forests along the road. Within around 2 years, the 436-kilometer-long green belts took shape.
Look at this drip irrigation tap next to me. Whereas groundwater in the desert is fed drip by drip to the plants to help them grow in the yellow sand.
In order to irrigate and nurture the plants, 109 well stations have been built to pump water for the shelter belt. Zhou Yingfeng and his wife have been working here for 6 years.
工作就是检查管子啊，有漏的地方就把它接起，把它修补好。
Electricity generated from the solar panels pumps groundwater to irrigate the trees, which absorb exhaust from passing cars. In this way, the road has managed to achieve zero pollution and zero emissions.
On June 2nd, 2022, the Zero Carbon Demonstration Project of Tarim Desert Highway was put into operation.
现在我们大家见到的这个光伏板呢，就是我们沙漠公路防护林经过改造之后，进行给这抽水提供能源的，现在已经全部正式全线109口井全部投用。从此以后，我们就由常规的柴油发电转变为光合能源，这个太阳能发电。